With Africa's burgeoning young population, the region holds immense promise. To make sure it achieves its full potential, it is critical to reach a level of food safety and plant health that fosters more trade and economic growth.
There are two challenges in Africa, including Uganda. One, the quantity of food. Do we have sufficient food? There is that question, the issue of food security. But most importantly, that the little food we have, how safe is it?
Unsafe food has an impact on public health. In Africa, unsafe food is estimated to cause 150,000 deaths and 91 million illnesses each year. Unsafe food and plant pests also threaten the economies and hinder safe trade not only within Africa, but across the rest of the globe. Each year, plant pests reduce the agricultural productivity of the African continent with an estimated impact of over $65 billion a year, hindering food security and economic growth worldwide.
Controlling foodborne hazards, contaminants, and pesticide residues along the entire food value chain has to take a pivotal role if we are to maintain our market.
To safeguard public health, guarantee food production and promote the local, regional and global economies, a comprehensive and progressive approach is needed, and stakeholders must work together towards common objectives.
Every stakeholder play their part, then we are able to move together to make it compliance easier, to be able to ensure that the country is protected from invasive pests.
Over the past 2 years, the Food and Agriculture Organization and the International Plant Protection Convention Secretariat, supported by European Union funding, have empowered 12 African Union countries to assess food safety and plant health capacities, in line with the goals of the African Union's sanitary and phytosanitary policy framework. This directly contributes to the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area. The project also operates within the One Health approach, designed to improve the health of people, animals, plants, and the environment in an integrated manner. 2 cutting-edge tools are being used in the project: the Food Control System Assessment Tool, based on Codex food standards, and the Phytosanitary Capacity Evaluation System, to assess plant health systems. The first tool assesses a country's food control system, taking into account regulatory capacities, as well as the full engagement of the private sector and consumers into food safety. Countries develop tailored plans in alignment with international standards, grounded on a rigorous evidence-based analysis.
This project that we are dealing with in strengthening the food control system will help countries to relook on the way they organize themselves, their coordination in managing their food safety control system, so that they complement each other, address gaps, and be able to see that they are all working towards achieving the same food safety goal.
The second one is a collaborative self-assessment process, which enables national plant protection organizations to identify and address phytosanitary gaps through an online module-based system and a series of planning methodologies.
The benefits that can be derived from the PCE is multifaceted. A guidance to, firstly, carry out an analysis of the NPPU activities in relation to the processes and procedures, the legislative framework, and the human, financial, and infrastructural facilities available to make recommendations for actions and activities in relation to projected outcomes in a prioritized manner.
With evidence and recommendations from these tools, participating countries are enhancing their systems to invest in better controls and emergency response, better coordination and transparent communication, and to help countries develop strategies respecting international standards. Through workshops and training sessions, the project has not only expanded the skill set of the national workforce, but has also strengthened the country's capacity to develop robust strategies.
This tool we have been trained on, it's very useful and it will help us a bit to improve on our daily work, because we usually do it, but we need some improvement to meet the international standard.
It was very interesting working with other CAs or the competent authority in this assessment, because you gain a better perspective of what their roles are, how we can better assist each other. Basically, we are learning from each other.
Collaborative efforts of the African Union, FAO, the IPPC Secretariat, with funding provided by the EU, are bolstering food safety and plant health, promoting local, regional and global economic prosperity and cross-border trade in Africa and worldwide.
Basically, I'm seeing it as a very wonderful opportunity for us to reassess our status and move forward or move our organization to the next level.
With each milestone reached, we are one step closer to a safer, healthier future.